Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 16th, 2024, and we have a fascinating lineup of stories from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Remember, you can find links to all the stories in the episode notes. First up, BOXABL is making waves in the housing industry with its innovative approach to affordable housing. The company has received over 190,000 reservations for its casita model, a compact home that can be set up in less than a day. With 82 patents filed globally and over 600 homes built, BOXABL is on a mission to revolutionize home construction. They've raised over $150 million and are now seeking $1 billion to expand their production capabilities. The casita, measuring 361 square feet, comes fully equipped with a kitchen, bathroom, and HVAC system, making it a versatile solution for various housing needs. BOXABL's founders, Paolo and Galliano Tiramani, are committed to making housing accessible and affordable, drawing inspiration from automotive manufacturing efficiencies. In the world of cryptocurrency, Tesla has made a significant move by transferring approximately $765 million worth of Bitcoin to unknown wallets. This marks a major shift after 2 years of inactivity. The transfer leaves only about $6 in the original wallets, and the new wallets are not linked to any known exchanges, suggesting Tesla may not be planning to sell the Bitcoin. Despite a mixed relationship with Bitcoin, Tesla's recent actions have sparked curiosity in the crypto community. World Liberty Financial, backed by Donald Trump and his family, launched its WLFI token sale on October 15, 2024. However, the launch faced technical difficulties, with the website crashing due to overwhelming traffic. Despite over 100,000 people on the allow list, only about 3,500 token holders were recorded. The sale reportedly raised over $5 million, but the website issues have left potential investors uncertain. The project aims to offer borrowing and lending services in the crypto space. Opacity Network has successfully raised $12 million in funding to tackle data ownership and privacy issues. Their verified data network allows users to verify, control, and monetize their data while maintaining privacy. With a focus on industries like finance, healthcare, and advertising, Opacity aims to eliminate middlemen and promote trust and innovation. The company is already collaborating with partners to disrupt traditional systems using verified data. The Sui Foundation has denied allegations of $400 million in insider selling of Sui tokens. The claims came from a crypto analyst who suggested insider involvement in recent sales. The foundation clarified that no insiders sold tokens during this period and speculated that the sales were likely from an infrastructure partner adhering to a token lockup schedule. The Sui token has seen a significant price increase recently, adding to the intrigue. A meme coin called Goatseus Maximus, GOAT, has surged over 8,000% in value following a $50,000 Bitcoin donation from billionaire Mark Andreessen to an AI bot known as Terminal of Truths. The bot's endorsement of the meme coin led to a rapid rise in popularity and trading volume. This incident highlights the intersection of AI, crypto, and meme culture, raising questions about market manipulation and the influence of AI in the digital asset space. A Bitcoin whale, active since the network's early days, has moved a significant amount of Bitcoin to the Kraken exchange. This whale, identified by Arkham Intelligence, transferred approximately $630,000 worth of Bitcoin, adding to a total of $5.47 million moved in recent months. The whale's activity is notable due to their long-term holding status, sparking interest in the crypto community. Canary has announced plans to launch a Litecoin-focused ETF, following their recent filing for an XRP ETF. The proposed ETF aims to hold LTC and establish its net asset value based on the CoinDesk Litecoin Price Index. With Litecoin's long-standing security and reliability, Canary is optimistic about attracting institutional investors. However, the SEC's approval process remains a hurdle, as the regulatory body has historically preferred a regulated futures market for underlying assets before approving spot ETFs. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay informed and stay crypto savvy.